Hello, I will be explaining the interactive features of my website, Bionic Attack. So, as we first launch on into the home page, you have the navigation bar at the top, helping the users find their way around the website. Firstly, we have a picture of a robot with powers, showing what my film would be about, and showing that it is sci-fi related. The first thing we see here is a button where we can click to watch our trailer. So we press it and it takes us onto YouTube. We go back onto the website. You scroll under the buy ticket section, so you are allowed to select which one you would like to watch: normal, 3D, 4D, or IMAX. Back on the home page, there is a where you can watch section. So it's a slideshow showing 3 cinemas of Odeon Lux that you can watch, ranging from London, Leicester Square, Manchester, and Birmingham. By having this on here will help all 3 users decide where they would like to watch their film. We have a contact us section with the address, email, and a phone number. So you can type a name in, type your email address in, and you can submit the form, type your messages, and the feedback that you leave in the message, the details, will get back to you. We'll email you back. We have the map of the address just showing you where we're based in London. So we go back up to the top. The first section is the about section. So we open it with another small picture about the movie and a little description of what the movie is about. Next, we go to the team. This team is all the people who have helped input to make the film and the website. Then go on to the comic section, another interactive feature, the last chance comic. Download full comic, you press the link, it will take you onto a page where you can read the comic. This is just to get our users to enjoy the other features created by us in Mega Movies. By reading, once you read the comic, you can head back onto the website, scroll up to the top, go back to the contact. If you want to contact them again, contact them. Onto the trailer page with another picture of a robot where you can watch the trailer, which we saw another trailer as well that we saw before. And then the final interactive feature of this website would be the store, where you can view the jumpers, the mugs, the Bionic backpack. Jumpers come in different colours, the mug and the bag. Interactive, so you could press it, choose which colour you want, little description, you add it to the cart, and it will appear, view the cart, and then you can buy the jumper. So that is describing the interactive features on my website. Now I'll be going through the optimization. So whilst optimizing my website, I wanted to make sure that users have a high quality and fast experience no matter what platform they're using my website on. This could range from a laptop, a phone, or a tablet. And my aim is to give users a great experience, and that is important for us, so they're eager to come back and use it, and also send links to their friends so they can access it. Because if they go onto a website that is reliable and good, they will want to use it again. They will want their friends to use it, so they will encourage them. It will also encourage them to buy merchandise from us, buy tickets for the movie, come watch a movie, and just engage with us. Because if we want them to engage with us, so we can engage with them. We want to give them a website that they can enjoy to use, and that's fast and is reliable for them. In terms of the Wimp interface, which stands for Windows, Icons, Menus, and Pointers, this was used to make the website easy to use and easy to navigate. By using Wimp interface, I will give users a better experience whilst browsing our website. Thank you.